Welcome back. Sports has become a huge industry nowadays. But to excel in any sports discipline, it takes a lot of support from parents, government authorities and crucially the corporate world. On the occasion of National Sports Day, Prudent Media caught up with some parents of some of the most talented sports person from Goa, and this is what they had to say regarding the present sports scene in the state. Watch this special report by sports reporter Patterson Fernandez with video journalist Shan and reporter Samir Bhatt.
As far as we are concerned, I would say corporates first and then the government. For the simple reason, because Dempos have sponsored a massive amount for my daughter's training for the last 1.5 years. She's with them. I would say whatever she has managed to achieve today is because of the support from Dempos. Basic what government provides is all right, but for sportsmen to really perform and come out in large numbers, any person who performs at the state level or national level, government should sort of adopt him or her and provide these facilities like travel in more comfortable train, maybe 3 AC, or even fly down the person, give them good hotels which are comfortable close to the venue wherever they have to take part. Government must adopt an equal to all sports policy if they want to bring all the sports up on a pedestal, not only cricket and football. Why not other sports? I don't say only swimming. Why not other sports? Why not chess? Why not badminton?
The post policies coming now should come up. Where they having some job reservation, then professional college reservation seats, that should come up. If that is there, it should be helpful.
If the conditions which are prevailing today were available at that time when I was a player, today I would have even played for Indian team, that's what I feel. But today government has done a lot of things for the sports. But I feel the students or the players are not taking much advantage of the facilities given by the government. I remember we used to go to the ground early morning at 4 o'clock taking net, cricket net by ourselves. Now everything is ready on the ground. Scientific equipments are available. Only the students have to take interest in this. And I feel the government is doing a lot of things for this. I am anxiously waiting for the sports policy which the government is going to bring forward next week. I am proud of my daughter, and if the sport policy is in favor of the sportsman, then I will definitely encourage her to go ahead with the sports. The corporates are helping students who are, they say must win an award at the national level. It's like asking Shah Rukh Khan, you win a Filmfare Awards, then we will give you a break in the Bollywood. It's same like that. How can you win a national award unless you are getting proper training in Goa itself? So I think they should bring it down from national level to Goa rankings, and they should help these players so then they can win the national awards.
गोव्यातून खेळाला म्हणावं तसं प्रोत्साहन अजूनही मिळत नाही आहे. गोव्यात खेळाची स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी म्हणून जी आहे ती अजूनही आखली गेलेली नाही आहे. त्या स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीतून खेळाडूंना काय मिळणार आहे ह्याच्यापेक्षा खेळाडूंना स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीतून प्रत्येक स्पर्धा खेळण्यासाठीची जी मदत, त्यांना लागणारं जे कोचिंग आहे ते वेळीच हे प्रशिक्षण मिळणं, त्यांना प्रत्येक स्पर्धा खेळायला मिळणं, ह्या गोष्टींचा ह्या स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसीत अंतर्भाव करायला पाहिजे.
But as far as corporates are concerned, I think they can help a lot for sports people, because many of the parents, they spend from their own pocket, and nowadays sports has become very costly. I'm talking about chess only because you require a laptop. Every chess player now requires a laptop, a software, books, which are very costly. If they even help in giving them coaching, like the coaching amount, certain like see when we get the coaches from outside for the advanced coaching, they can help us in giving those that amount, so that we can conduct the coaching camp here, and some amount of burden from the parents' side we can take over.
7 days Ganesh at Kumar Zuve is immersed in a unique way. Ganesh idols are immersed on a sun god. You have a look at the sun god and I take your leave. Take care and goodbye. Have a great weekend.